World Polio Day 2020. October 24 is observed as World Polio Day every year in order to call on countries to stay vigilant in their fight against the disease. Key highlights of the day. World Polio Day was established by Rotary International over a decade ago to commemorate the birth of Jonas Salk, who led the first team to develop the vaccine against the disease. In the last 3 decades, the Global Polio Eradication Initiative, led by national governments and the WHO, has been monitoring the disease situation globally. 2020 theme for World Polio Day is Stories of Progress Past and Present. As per the WHO, since 1980, the cases of wild polio virus has decreased over 99.9% as a result of vaccination efforts made around the world. In the last 3 decades, the Global Polio Eradication Initiative, led by national governments and World Health Organization, has been monitoring the disease situation globally. Countries with recent outbreak. In 2019, polio outbreaks were recorded in Philippines, Malaysia, Ghana, Myanmar, China, Cameroon, Indonesia and Iran, which were mostly vaccine-derived, which means a rare strain of virus genetically mutated from the strain in the vaccine. According to WHO, if the oral virus vaccine is excreted and allowed to circulate in an unimmunized or underimmunized population for at least 12 months, it can mutate to cause infections. As of August 2020, Afghanistan and Pakistan are two only nations which remains with the continued transmission of wild polio virus. In Pakistan, the number of reported wild polio virus cases has increased in 2020. On the other hand, on August 25, the African region was certified as wild polio virus free. Position of polio in India. The WHO on February 24, 2012 removed India from the list of countries with active endemic wild polio virus transmission. 2 years later, in 2014, the Southeast Asia region of WHO, of which India was the part, was certified as polio-free. The last case due to wild polio virus in the country was detected on 13 January 2011. To prevent the virus from coming to India, the government has since March 2014 made the oral polio vaccination mandatory for those travelling between India and polio-affected countries such as Afghanistan, Nigeria, Pakistan, Ethiopia, Kenya, Somalia, Syria and Cameroon. Let us know what polio is. Polio is a crippling and potentially deadly disease that affects the nervous system. Polio or poliomyelitis is a disabling and life-threatening disease caused by the poliovirus. The virus spreads from person to person, mainly through fecal-oral route or less frequently by common vehicle, for example, through contaminated water or food, and can infect a person's spinal cord, causing paralysis. It largely affects the children under 5 years of age. There is no cure, but it can be prevented through immunization. Thank you.
For more videos, subscribe to BN by IAS and press the bell icon to never miss an update.